How much is a TCL Roku TV remote? TCL Roku TV remotes are designed to provide easy access to various streaming services, TV controls, and smart features. The price of a TCL Roku TV remote can vary depending on whether it's a basic infrared remote, a voice-controlled remote, or a universal remote. 1. Price range of TCL Roku TV remotes. The cost of a TCL Roku TV remote generally falls within these ranges. Basic infrared remotes, typically priced between $10 to $20. Voice remote with built-in microphone, usually ranges from $20 to $30. Universal remotes, priced around $15 to $20. $30 depending on compatibility with multiple devices. Second, types of TCL Roku TV remotes. TCL offers several types of Roku TV remotes. Standard infrared remotes, basic remote designed for simple TV controls. Voice remotes, includes voice search and control, allowing for easier access to content. Roku enhanced remotes. These feature additional buttons and functionalities such as volume control and headphone jacks for private listening. 3. Features that affect the price. The price of a TCL Roku TV remote is influenced by voice control. Remotes with built-in microphones for voice search tend to cost more. Advanced features. Enhanced remotes with extra functions like headphone support or dedicated buttons for streaming services can be pricier. Compatibility. Universal remotes which work with multiple devices usually cost more than basic remotes. 4. Where to buy a TCL Roku TV remote. TCL Roku TV remotes are available at electronics retailers, online marketplaces, and authorized retailers. Prices may vary based on retailer-specific promotions or discounts. 5. Best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a TCL Roku TV remote, consider purchasing during sales events. Major sales, like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and holiday promotions, often include discounts on accessories. Clearance sales. Older remote models may be discounted when new ones are released. Bundled offers. Sometimes remotes are included with TV purchases, offering a chance to save on the remote. TCL Roku TV remotes are affordable and come with a variety of features, making it easy to find one that fits your needs. By considering the features, checking for promotions, and shopping during sales, you can find a great deal on a remote that enhances your TV viewing experience.